Such a beautiful variegation. Friends, we're back at Harpers. Let's check out their Hoyas. Today this video is dedicated to their Hoyas and they're looking fantastic. First we're starting with the bertoni, and this one's priced at $20 in a 5-inch pot. And it's listed as variegated. They like a lot of sun, from what I understand, to induce that variegation. Now this one over here is a 3.5-inch pot and it's priced at $13. Another variegated Hoya bertoni. You can see a little bit more variegation on this beauty right here. Now over here is the Hoya pot of gold. And I'm looking at this pot of gold and noticing that there's a lot of cuttings in this pot. Variegation is stunning, $20 each. Oh, this one's so nice and vibrant. Look at how bright the inner variegation is. And 3 good cuttings in the pot, $20. And by the way, today they've got a discount. Their indoor tropicals, 30% off. So these Hoya prices, imagine them with a 30% discount. This looks like a combination pot of the Macrophylla alba marginata and a pot of gold. This is a nice lush pot, lots of new grow tips. It's a Mathilde Splash, priced at $13 in the 4-inch pot. Loving all the new growth in this pot. I'm looking for lots of splashy leaves. A few freckles on the leaves. Wow, look at these sarawak. Now the sarawak is stunning. Nice big leaves. One of my favorite Hoyas. I just love the big leaf Hoyas. It's $25 in a 4-inch pot. This one over here has some new growth coming through. Nice to see that there's 2 vines right there. And this one over here is also stunning. Look at that leaf. Absolutely gorgeous. Now they also have the black margin, and the black margin is $13 in a 4-inch pot. Lots of cuttings in the pot too, so these will tendril out quite nicely. Now over here they've got the Crinkle 8. Crinkle 8 is in a 4-inch pot, also priced at $13. Lots of new growth and multiple cuttings in the pot. Hoya australis Lisa is also looking nice and vibrant. Look at this variegation. This is a really beautiful batch. These are in 6-inch pots. Actually 5-inch pots. There's so much cuttings in the pot, jam-packed, and they're $20 each. Such a beautiful variegation, just lovely. And I love that this can sun stress nicely with those pink leaves. This is the chicken farm, and the chicken farm is $20. So with the 30% off, This is about $14. Nice big leaves. Looks like 2 cuttings in each pot. There's a slight variegation on the leaves. And the leaves are interesting too. Nice and thick. And the leaves can get quite big. These are the rosita, and rosita is $13. Rosita sunstress nicely too. Over here they've got a few more Hoyas. It looks like a repeat of some of the ones that we saw earlier, but this one's a rosita. It's in a larger pot, $20 for the 5-inch pot. And you can see some of that sun stressing coming in on the leaves. And so much grow tips on this one. Ooh, look at this. Hoya Jennifer. Jennifer's $20. And look at Jennifer right next to the chicken farm. So nice seeing these two paired together. And they're both priced at $20 each. 2 nice cuttings. I love that they've got lots of slow release fertilizer in the pot. And I don't mind the media. It's like a coco coir peaty mixture. Looks like it holds on to water. So it's more retentive. Just have to wait until it's completely dry before watering. Oh, another beautiful Jennifer. Look at this leaf right here. Isn't that scrumptious? This one's got some good genetics. They also have the Wayetii or the Kentiana. 2 different sizes. The 4-inch pot. 4 inches, $13. I love the variegation on these. This one's a mixed pot. You've got variegated and non-variegated. Now back here is the 5-inch pot. Nice and trailing. $20. So $20 for the 5-inch pot and $13 for the 4-inch pot. Now over here is the Vitellinoides, and it's $20 in a 4-inch pot. Another Hoya that has nice big leaves. And look at this one. That tendril is just waiting to be trellised up. Two cuttings in the pot, and it's $20. Look at the veins on the leaves too. It reminds me of the Calistophylla. And this is some more of the Mathilde splash in a 4-inch pot for $20. Lots of splashing on this vine right here. That's what I mean. You've got to search through and find a pot that really speaks to you, especially if you want a lot of splashy leaves. And this is a lone Macrophylla albomarginata. That's it for the Hoya selection. Oh, actually, just before we go, they've got the Hoya australis lisa in the hanging basket. And these hanging baskets are $40 each, 8-inch hanging basket. That's it for our Hoya adventures at Harpers. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me on Instagram at Life of Bellina.